Welcome to VIVY Health Talk. Thank you for being part of this growing health awareness community. In today's video, we are starting a new health series on blood pressure, a condition that silently affects millions of people worldwide. This video is for education and awareness, not to replace medical advice. High blood pressure is called the silent killer because most people don't know they have it. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against your artery walls. When it stays high for too long, it quietly damages your heart, kidneys, brain, and eyes. Many people feel fine, but inside their organs are under stress. High blood pressure can lead to stroke, heart attack, a kidney failure, vision loss. And the dangerous part? You may not feel pain until serious damage has already happened. That's why knowing your blood pressure numbers is not optional. It's life protection. Your health is your responsibility. Awareness today prevents regret tomorrow. Follow VIVY Health Talk for simple health knowledge that can protect your life.